Google is the most essential part of our daily life. We cannot survive without Google in this digital era. As time flows, Google also concentrated on generating a huge list of products for each and every class of human needs. It is astonishing to think about how Google influences every day in our lives, whether it be personal or professional life. To name some of them: YouTube, Gmail, Google Chrome, Google Images, Google Drive, Google Maps, Google Docs, Google Translate, Google Assistant, Google Pay, Google Photos, and so on.
Hello viewers, welcome to SmartSPAN. Let's start with the very basic. Tip number 1, use quotes to search for an exact phrase. This one's a well-known, simple trick. Searching a phrase in quotes will yield only pages with the same words in the same order as what's in the quotes. It's one of the most vital search tips, especially useful if you're trying to find results containing a specific phrase.
Use define to learn the meaning of words. Streamline the dictionary process by using, for example, define, proficiency. For words that appear in the dictionary, you'll be able to see etymology and a graph of its use over time alongside the definition. Google Images, the most comprehensive image search on the web. Location. Google will grab the location you are searching for. Simply type the place and pin code for more accurate results. You can see location, which is directly displayed from Google Maps.
To know the current time of a location, simply type time and place. To check sunrise and sunset of a location, you can simply type sunrise place and sunset place.
To check the weather of a place, simply type weather and location. You can toggle between Celsius and Fahrenheit. You can see the details for the next couple of days.
Now, let's see some of the calculations and conversions using Google. To do a calculation, simply provide the data in the Google search bar. Pretty simple, right? Now, what if you can get the up-to-date currency exchange rate directly for the Google search? This is a very simple method. Google will bring you a conversion rate on the search result page. Now type the amount and select the currencies for which you want to get the exchange rates.
If you happen to be a math student, you can use it for unit conversions. Here's how to do it. I am converting 1 liter to milliliters, and you can choose any units as you wish. There is a way to make Google search work for you if you want to know the latest stock prices. Enter a company's stock ticker symbol or company name in your search bar to get the latest performance data. We can retrieve customer support information of a company by typing company name followed by customer service. It is as simple as that.
You can even set timer or stopwatch using Google search bar. This is how you can do that. Amazing, right?
See what time it is anywhere in the world. You can search for the time in one city, to see what time it is in another city right now. You can search for city, to city, time, to see the time difference between where you live and somewhere else. Similarly, we can do a Google search for fetching the list of flights between two places.
An often forgotten feature of Google search is the ability to search for a specific file or file type. This can be infinitely useful if you need a specific PDF or PowerPoint file that you previously viewed or need to use for another project. The syntax is quite simple. File type command and enter the extension of any file type. If you want the best deal, you usually end up checking a couple of websites. This is where price comparison websites, tools, and apps can help. Google's search engine that will do the hard work for you. It will compare the price of a given product between different retailers, so you can get the best deal every single time. Want to find a web page with certain words contained in the title? Use Untitled search phrase to search for pages that have at least one of your search words in the title.
Use INURL followed by search phrase to search for pages that have at least one of your search words in the URL.
Often, we are in search of a template to make things easy. Google has the solution for that. Simply type in search term followed by template file type XLS. Suppose you want to check the number of days between 2 days. Say, how many days for Christmas? Just use days until December 25th. Google will show you the number of days. If you are in need of the calendar for any past or future date, simply type in month and year. Google will display the information for you.
In case you need to spell a digit, just do it as on the screen. Digit followed by language will do. If you want to know the percentage of a particular amount, just type in the browser, and you will get the result in seconds.
I will be doing part 2 video on advanced features on Google search very soon. If you are new to my videos, please subscribe to SMARTSPAN channel. We'll be back with another interesting video next week. Until then, take care and bye for now.